seen it when I made my little DIY waist slimming concoction. You also saw my video on how I wrap myself. If you have not seen that, then that means that you ain't clicked that bell. You know, you might be subscribed, but you ain't clicked that bell, so I'm gonna need you to stop and click that bell. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thank you. But anyways, after I filmed those 2 videos, I ended up stumbling across another waist trainer, so I felt like I needed to give it a try for a few weeks and then come and tell y'all about it if it was a go. So obviously it's a go. So this is the Shaperx waist slimming belt. I've also used this without my DIY wrap cream, and it still really generates heat around the midriff section and really maximize my workout results. So all this is Velcro. There are no hooks, there is no zipper, it is all Velcro, and it's very strong Velcro. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just put the waist belt like so, and of course I got pink because y'all know pink is my color, but it does have other options. I believe it's like purple and red and a few other ones, but on this side there's no Velcro on it, and then on this side there is. The whole entire belt is made out of material that the Velcro really sticks to. I love how strong this Velcro is. So all you do is place this side where you want to, and I just let this lay down with one hand, and then I take my other hand and just wrap it like so. You don't have to worry about it coming loose because the Velcro is just super strong. And then I just take one side of this back strap, and that Velcro is still the same. It's about 3 inches wide worth of Velcro, and then it goes along the whole band up and down on each part that has Velcro on it. And like I said, everything on the outside is able to be stuck to with the Velcro, so you can be really as aggressive as you want to. If it becomes too tight for you, if you feel like you can't really make it throughout your day or throughout the workout, all you have to do is loosen it up. So this waist trainer that I have on is in the size medium, and I don't know when the last time was that I had to order a medium in anything, because as you guys know, I am plus size. I am shrinking on down, but I'm still plus size. So I normally get an extra large and everything, so a medium was like through the roof for me, like, and it actually fits. I really didn't think that it was, but as long as you go by the size chart, make sure that you measure the smallest part of your waist. And I mean, obviously it worked for me. Hopefully it'll also work for you, but all you have to do is measure that smallest part of your waist, and wherever they tell you to order right there on their Amazon product link, that's what you're gonna order. Like, go ahead and trust it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the product on Amazon. It has multiple colors. It actually comes in 6 colors. It ranges in the sizes from small to 2X large. It has sauna heat action, which most of these waist trainers do. I did work out with this one time without my DIY cream, and I did produce heat and a sweat. Of course, it says it improves your posture and supports your lower back for weightlifting, which I can also attest to. I actually ended up hurting my back right before I started using this, and up until the day that I put this on, I could still feel like uncomfortness, if that's a word, in my lower back. But once I started putting this on, because I had, you know, took a break for about a week from the gym, and once I put this on and I was working out, I couldn't feel the pain in my lower back anymore. And once I took it off that day, I was good. So I really feel like this really helped out with that. Of course, it helps for your ab muscles to be more visible. When you wear this while you're working out, you really have no choice but to keep your core tight, because that is something that I struggle with. That's why I always will wear a waist trainer, a workout waist trainer or waist cincher, because I really have a hard time keeping my core muscles tight while I'm doing crunches, while I'm lifting weights, while I'm doing cardio, anything like that. So this really helps me out, and I am able to keep it real tight with this one. So it also has up here that it burns 150 calories with 40 minutes of exercise. It's probably some really light working out, honestly, because in 30 minutes I burn about 240 calories with cardio, and then I have no idea how many calories I burn with weightlifting. I don't even know how to calculate that, But I do know that right here, with me standing right here right now, and it says sauna heat action. It says sauna heat action slims and trims your appearance instantly. I do feel like it has slimmed my appearance. Of course, y'all saw before I put it on, and it's definitely generating heat. And I'm just standing here talking like your girl's stomach is getting hot. Okay, I'm probably gonna take this off, and it's gonna be some you know, moisture under there. The price tag on this ain't even bad. I have seen waist cinchers made exactly like this that are like 80 bucks. This one is $23.99. It's under Prime on Amazon, okay? And today is Wednesday, so if you were to order it today, it's coming in on Friday. The one con that I have for this waist trainer is that I have a long torso, so if it would have come about 2 inches longer, that would have been absolutely perfect for me. But that is the only reason why it's not perfect. I love how aggressive I can be on days that I'm really not feeling it. I am still able to wear it without having to be so aggressive and be comfortable. As y'all know, I only wear waist trainers while I'm working out. I'm not able to really do it all day long because, girl, this jank get hot, okay? So I've decided that on that video that I made about how I wrap myself, I'm gonna go ahead and add this link down in the description box as well. I'm gonna leave the original link to that waist trainer in there just because that's the one that's featured in the video, but I really feel like this is the better waist trainer. And of course, you can check down in this description box because the link is going to be down there as well. I'm also going to link those videos on my DIY waist slimming cream and how I wrap myself down in this description box because I feel like you guys need to know how I got these results. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you're following me on my social media. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below. You know your girl likes to chat it up. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.
Everything I do is lit.